The swanky new design of LHB coaches. Train Tirunelveli Bilaspur Superfast Express. Location Tirunelveli. These are the new type of LHB coaches that are being manufactured in India. As we enter the coach, we see the new designs that have been incorporated into the earlier ones. The window is the major difference. The window in the older LHB coaches used to be vertical as in the conventional ICF coaches. However, in these new LHB coaches, the windows are sliding time. This is advantageous in one way as both the passengers can have their own opinion and open the windows with respect to their convenience. However, the emergency window is more of a joke. This window can only be opened up to a certain extent, which kind of gives the idea that you might not be able to actually jump out of the train in case of an emergency, as you can see here. As we move through the coach, we realize that the coach is spick and span, at least right now, and it gives the feel of traveling by international trains. The hand wash and the restroom are beautifully designed. However, it's about how long the people will actually take good care of it.